United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea. Article 157. Nature and fundamental principles of the authority. 1. The authority is the organization through which states parties shall, in accordance with this part, organize and control activities in the area, particularly with a view to administering the resources of the area. 2. The powers and functions of the authority shall be those expressly conferred upon it by this convention. The authority shall have such incidental powers, consistent with this convention, as are implicit in and necessary for the exercise of those powers and functions with respect to activities in the area. 3. The authority is based on the principle of the sovereign equality of all its members. 4. All members of the authority shall fulfill in good faith the obligations assumed by them in accordance with this part in order to ensure to all of them the rights and benefits resulting from membership.